Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist here. This lovely, big old lazy cat. I just love this picture. Just get those shapes in. And I feel like in the end I didn't get the front leg that's on our right quite long enough, but you know what? That's okay because if the cat's stretching out its paw less or more, it's going to change it. So you don't have to be totally precisely picky about all that. You just do your best, and it I just like to let my cats become what they are, because if you fuss around with them too much to get everything exact, then that's when you lose that life and movement and the character in the drawing. Appreciate what's right and allow that soul to come out. Just really focusing on loose lines here. And now I'm kind of reinforcing the ones that are the important ones that I want to keep. All the extra lines just end up adding movement and being background tone. All is good. Drawing's really about the process. I just wanted this really lazy look. Looks like Kitty's just waiting for a head scratch or a pet. Yeah, that eye was too big. I wanted this eye a little bit smaller. It's a little bit farther away due to the way the cat's head is angled. And it gives more character too when the eyes aren't exactly the same. Yeah, you see the way that ear, the corner of the ear connects with the corner of the eye. It's just a big swoop that comes down from it. That all adds in helping to make sure that anatomy looks convincing. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you want it to be convincing that it looks like a cat. I do love to hear from you, so please do drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where in the world you live or whatever. What do you want to learn about cat drawing? Do my best to get it on here if you give me some ideas. Help us build this amazing community of crazy cat artists. Tabby stripes are wonderful for forming the contour of the kitty's head. Just kind of showing the roundness of it, curvature. And I just like suggestions of tabby stripes. Going 10 times the speed right now, voicing over. It was 4 times the speed at the beginning. About the first 3/4 of the video. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.